Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, as I've told you in the previous video, I said that this will be a two-part video, but I don't think so. It'll be a three-part video, four-part video, who knows? Yeah, if I keep on screwing up, the videos will have more parts, I guess. Maybe part 1001, revival of Macbook. Anyway, I was just kidding. Maybe this will be a three-part video. Okay, in today's video, we'll be repairing this LCD panel assembly. I have all the parts with me. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I have. This is the LCD assembly. Got it from AliExpress. Be sure to check the links. Yeah, the description links. Yeah. Okay, and then I also have the RCD reflective seats. Yeah, I don't know which order they go in, but anyway, I will do some googling. And in today's video, I'll be using simple tools like these brand new tweezers I got, and double-sided tape, and also my trusty screwdriver assembly. Okay, so without further ado, let's start repairing. Okay, so just remove this bezel. Be careful with this bezel. Yeah, do not put excessive weight or force onto it. It might bend. This is very nice bezel, very thin, lightweight. Yeah, and then we have our panel here. So what I'll do is I'll try to remove the remaining assembly here. Okay, so in order to do that, I might need to remove this metal strip here. Yeah, it's held by Phillips screws, so I need to remove that. Let me get onto it. Okay, so get a Phillips head screwdriver and start removing this bracket. Yeah, just keep this in a safe place. Yeah. So once we have removed all 5 screws, put it aside, and then remove this strip. Okay, underneath you'll have the, put it aside, you have the LCD assembly, sorry, the LED assembly. This provides the backlight. Yeah, so be careful not to break this cable. Yeah. Okay, I hope I don't break the cable. So we will try to remove this remaining assembly. What is this called? Aha, this is the it looks like a hard plastic sheet. Hold on, how do I remove it? Let me take a closer look. Yeah, okay, I'm back. So I gently peel off this hard sheet from the bottom. Yeah, be careful of the backlight assembly, and slide it out like this. For the next step, I put this away, and then there's one more last sheet here, which is the white background paper. So this white piece removes from the top. Yeah, so as you can see, it is like glued on. Yeah, it's glued on. Yeah, let me see what do I have in my reflective sheet paper stock. Yeah, apparently I have all the parts that is needed, so I'll be replacing this white sheet also. So what I'll do now is wear some gloves, put on some gloves, because this is a very very critical operation, you know. So get some gloves so that I do not stain the reflective sheets, and proceed with my with the assembly. Yeah, so get some gloves. Yeah. Oh, I look like a doctor. Yeah. Are we ready, doctor? Yes, yes, we are ready. The operation was successful, but the patient died. That is a funny joke I used to tell everybody. So let's move on. Remove this sheet like this, and then gently slide it forward. It is sticky. Oh, it is okay. Just peel it off gently. Peel it off gently. Oh no. Peel it off gently. The amount of double-sided tape they use in this LCD panel assembly is mind-boggling. Yeah? As you can see the Apple logo there. Funny, the latest generation of Macbooks doesn't have this light anymore. So gently peel them off and ta-da! Okay, put this aside. We won't be needing this. So now what I have here, okay, I'll do a small little spring cleaning here. Get some wipes or paper. Just remove all those dusts or whatever it is. Yeah, because we want to make sure it's clean. Yeah, look at this Apple logo, so majestic. Yeah, so now since it's free from dust, let's see. Okay, I guess I have to put some double-sided tape all over here, but I think I'll skip it. Yeah, too many double-sided tape. I'll just align this piece. Okay, this is the first piece. Okay, so let me see. Okay, then I'll get the next piece, which is the transparent one. Now I will not so sure whether there's orientation, but I'll fix this. Okay, can you see that? The transparent piece. Yeah. Okay, make sure I put it in gently. Okay, make sure I align those. Hello, welcome back. So took me a while to put the two sheets together, because every time I put in, plenty of hairs appear from nowhere. I guess I'm a very hairy person. So even though it's not perfect, I can see like a little speck of dust or something like that. But since this is a project, we have to move on. uh, Nobody is perfect, I guess. But as you can see like, oh, very clear. But I can still see like a tiny specks of dust beneath those sheet of paper. But that doesn't bother me. Okay, now let's move on to the next film. So now for this, we will remove these tabs so that we can place the sheets easily. Yeah. So don't lose them. Okay, keep them in a safe place. And then we'll move to place our rest of the remaining sheets. Yeah, so as you can see, like, wow, so nice. I can see specks of dust. Yeah, and so the next sheet is this. Yeah, the one with the black stripes on it. I'll place it on top here nicely and then move it. So it sits perfectly nice. Yeah, alrighty, so I managed to place it. Okay, there's some alignment here, so it sits perfectly right now. And then for the next piece, actually I'll be showing you. Yeah, so all these are labeled. Okay, from 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, all these sheets are labeled from 1 2 3 4 5, so you know which one will go first. So 1 2 3 is in, so the next one will be number 4 and this will be our number 5. Yeah, okay. So align them in the tab, take your time. Yeah, and then number 4 is in. Oops, forgot to remove the protective sheet, but I'll do it now. Yeah, since it's in. Okay, so number 4 is in. Now number 5, there you go. Number 5. Oops. Gentle. Yeah, be gentle. Good alignment will do. Alrighty, so all the reflective sheets are inside. So once you are happy with all the alignments, just place back this what are these? Yeah, like some sort of you know attache. Yeah, so it'll go here. Just place so that you can secure them nicely. And one here. So remember to use your gloves. Yeah, uh, you don't want to damage all these are all fragile materials. I see. So just use gloves, make sure you don't stain them, and make sure you work in a well ventilated room, avoid to you know having disasters like me, like hair all over. And I think you can do it. So once you have placed all the tabs in, okay, look at the tab, 1 2 3 4. I will screw this what to call it, this strip to the always screw the white side facing this way. Yeah, so place it in, then get the screws. So the big flat ones go to the edge. Yeah, so this is the big flat one. Yeah, I'm talking about the big flat one. So once you're done, now it's time for the LCD to come in, and we'll be testing that in a short while. Yeah. So before I place the LCD onto here, I will double side tape all the edges so that it won't stick to the previous double sided tape. So I might need to remove back the LCD. Maybe I need to align it or clean some particles below it. Yeah, so I'll be using my double sided tape. I'll be cutting this into half, I think, because of the thickness. This is 5 mm, so I think maybe I need 2 or 3 mm along the side. So I'll be doing that, and I'll join you back later. Okay guys, I'm back. So I already used the double-sided tape on this all these four edges, and my double-sided is slightly thicker here. It ran across the reflective shade, but I got no option. I couldn't cut it in half, so I got no time to buy a new one as well. So if you're planning to buy a double-sided tape, I suggest you can go for 3 mm ones, which are pretty nice around the corners. These are 5 mm ones. So as you can see on the edges, right, I left some tape, some of it, I left some of the tape edges behind, because it'll be easier for me to pull it out, yeah, like this. And I put the new screen in, yeah, just pull it out, so I don't need to like stick it and having trouble, you know, adjusting the screen and so on. So just put the screen there and then gently pull out. Yeah, so now let's attach the screen and test it. Yes, so this is the new LCD screen assembly. As you can see, it's very thin and it is very fragile. Look at the edges, it's super thin. Yeah, so just be careful when you're handling this. Yeah, okay. So I will align this on this, and then after that we will power on and see what happens. Yeah, okay. So just put the screen here, align it nicely to the edges. Yeah, make sure it sits flush. Yeah, all the four corners sits flush. Yeah, and okay, so here we have two connectors that need to be connected. Okay, the first one will be the cable here. Yeah, so this one will be connected here. Yes, can you see? And then there's one for the backlight, yeah, which will be connected here. So this will take some time, because it's very fragile. You need to align this properly and then connect them both. So I will show you once the connection is made. Yeah, okay, please bear with me. Sometimes you need to flip this 180 degrees and then connect them. So just make sure you connect them properly. Yeah, I'll be back after connecting this. Yeah, alrighty, we are back. So I fixed this panel with the backlight and video cable installed, and now we need to connect this, yeah, this portion to our laptop and see whether our screen works. All right, so now I have the bottom half of my Macbook open. Yeah, so now I'm going to connect this video cable to this tab here, and as always I've disconnected the battery for safety purposes. So safety first, and let's see. So this one should go here. So my screen is connected. I will shift this here. I'll move the screen here so we can see what's happening. Now I will reconnect the battery and turn on this MacBook and see what's happening. Okay, the moment of truth, everybody. Okie dokie, power button is here. Okay, laptop is on. Yes, woohoo! Yeah, yes, 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 yes. Haha, there you go, the Apple logo. So all these, don't worry, those are protective sheets that I will remove. Oh, those are not dead pixels, man. Those are not dead pixels. Those are protective sheets that say, what does it say? Dead pixel doesn't say number 2F1163 or 25 blah 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 blah. So let's see. So all right, so we are back. So what I did is I performed uh, PRAM reset and SMC reset. Apparently it goes blank because of the power saving mode, I guess. So what is SMC and PRAM reset? You can Google it up, but okay, this is it. I googled it for you, and you can see what is your SMC, how to perform SMC and PRAM reset on MacBook Air. And currently now it says you shut down your computer because of a problem. If you want to open the application, click open. What should I do now? I will cancel it, but first I need to reconnect my mouse. I'm sorry, my touch pad is here. Oh, where did it go? Okay, it's okay, it's here. As you can see, the screen is lovely. I'm loving it. I don't find any particles and so on. Oh, it looks really nice, really nice screen. So what I'll do is I'll peel off the back protective layer and the front protective layer and place stick this screen and pull out all these tabs, yeah, and then we will fix this assembly back to its body, and we'll get back to it. Yeah, so now what I'll do is I'll just power off. Yeah, press the power button, and we'll just power off. That's it. I will disconnect my MagSafe charger, disconnect the battery, just for the fun of it. And okay, so I will disconnect the video cable first. So as my tweezers, alright, the video cable which is here. And I think the easiest way to work around this is to fix back this assembly to its body. Yeah, so previously I took out all the screws, and then see, I place them back in their place. Yeah, so I will screw everything again, and will test the screen. Yeah, so gently slide the keyboard assembly in and tighten all those 3 screws. Yeah, okay, I'll be doing mine. Hello, uh, welcome back. So I already fixed the hinges here. One, two, three screws, and three screws here. And okay, this is my broken camera cable, which I'll ignore. So everything is fixed in. Make sure you align the LCD with the bottom base. Yeah, just press and push before alignment. Yeah, so make sure you align everything and then tighten. So now we'll be looking at this screen again. Yeah, so in this case, before I have removed the battery connector. Yeah, so I'll just fix the battery connector. And then plug it in. Just be gentle, yeah, no hurry. And then I fix the cable connector here to the motherboard, yeah. And oh yeah, totally forgot, there are two cables that goes to this port. It is both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, I guess. So just connect those, yeah, just connect those, even though I'll be replacing them together with the eyesight connector, but just fix them both. And then now we are ready. So since my LCD is not taped up yet, so I'll be opening it this way, yeah. So make sure you be very gentle with it. Gently open. So the doctor needs to perform a second operation. Yes, look at that. It is eager. He is eager to perform another operation. It's called operation screen, Macbook screen. Yeah. How? Okay, I think this will look better. So now, if we turn on, we should see Apple logo booting up. And so I will inspect for some dusts. If I see there are dust behind the screen, I will remove them. So far I only see dust on top of the screen. So I will lift up the screen, and then we can remove the back protection film, which is rear, I guess. So use my tweezers. Hello. So as you can see, I've removed all the tape and secured the LCD screen to the uh, panel here, right? So I've already checked this before. So far, no big particles, but there are some concerns like this extra bright white spot here, here, and here. So it might be the replacement part that I got. So I'm not so sure, or maybe there's some you know some mistake where I did, but it's not so, if you can see, it's not so visible, yeah, from the camera. So these white spots are here, one, two, three, no big, it's not so big. Other than that, the screen looks fantastic, yeah, it looks fantastic. So most of it is done here. So what will I do? I will just put this bezel around it for the meantime. So it looks so it is protected, yeah. I got the rubber mountings that will come soon, so I need to replace that as well. So as you can see, it is very bright, very nice. Yeah. So in the last video, we replaced the keyboard. We can go over to Safari, and you can check out the keyboard tester. Yeah. Okay, let's test the keyboard. So I'll just go and type in keyboard tester. So there's one online keyboard tester. I'll just click on it. So right now I have to click on it, and then what I'll do is just run my fingers through all these keys and let it detect. Okay, this is my first row and my second row and my third row and my fourth row and my fifth row. Oops. So there's no alarm. How about this? Oops. I think one of it is the function. Oh, you need to press function and then press all these buttons. Yeah. So basically all the keys are working. Oops. Okay, so I'm not able to test this, but definitely F11, and the eject is actually is a power button. When you press power button with the function key, and then it pops up this alarm. So I'm very happy with the results, although it's not in pristine condition, but we want to see something anyway. I feel like the white spot is disappearing, but let's see. So it looks good, and if we take a look at our laptop, look at the screen, it looks so nice. Yeah, it looks so nice. Let me get another angle, yeah, for you. So now if we take a look at it, the keyboard is done and the LCD is looking great, fantastic. It's majestic. Look at those colors, man. Only concern is okay, the white spots I've been telling you, but for me it doesn't matter too much. Yeah, if you can see, okay, there you go. Can you see that? Like one small little spot here, one white spot. Other than that, there's no particles or nothing such as that. So I'm still waiting for some parts to arrive. As we tested, keyboard works, everything works. I believe that should be the end of our video. So please stay tuned for part 3, where I finalize this installation of the MacBook Air. And if you really like my work, yeah, you consider subscribing. Yeah, anyway, thank you very much, and please check out the description links for the parts. Yeah, it'll be in the comment, in the description links. Yeah, okay, take care and have a great day. See you all soon.